We do have some breaking news to let you know about as it relates to former President Donald Trump. Manhattan prosecutors said that they would be open to delaying Donald Trump's sentencing in his criminal hush money case following a Supreme Court's ruling that granted broad immunity protections to presidents. In a letter filed Tuesday, today, prosecutors with the Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg's office said they would be open to delaying the July 11th sentencing for up to 2 weeks. The letter came one day after Trump's attorney requested the judge delay the trial as he weighs the high court's decision and how it could influence the New York case. Trump's campaign did not immediately respond to a request for comment, but this comes after the Supreme Court ruled yesterday in Trump v. United States that a former president has substantial immunity from prosecution for official acts committed while in office, but not for unofficial acts. In a 6-3 decision, the court sent the matter back down to a lower court as the justices did not apply the ruling to whether or not former President Trump is immune from prosecution regarding acts related to efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 election. Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the majority, quote, "The president enjoys no immunity for his unofficial acts, and not everything the president does is official. The president is not above the law, but Congress may not criminalize the president's conduct in carrying out the responsibilities of the executive branch under the Constitution, and the system of separated powers designed by the framers has always demanded an energetic, independent executive." It is because of that ruling that Manhattan prosecutors said that they would be open to delaying Trump's sentencing in his criminal hush money case following that ruling that granted broad immunity protections to presidents. We continue to follow this breaking news at this hour. It is 11:31 Eastern, 8:31 Pacific. A letter filed earlier today, prosecutors with the Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg's office said that they would be open to delaying the July 11th sentencing for up to 2 weeks. The letter coming one day after the historic Supreme Court ruling. Trump's campaign not immediately responding to a request for comment. We will continue to follow this breaking news. If Trump or his campaign should comment on this breaking news, we, of course, will bring that to you. We also have another breaking news story as it relates to Rudy Giuliani, Trump's former attorney. Rudy Giuliani, the former New York City mayor, federal prosecutor, and legal advisor to Trump, has been disbarred in the state after a court found he repeatedly made false comments about Trump's 2020 election loss. That decision handed down by a New York appeals court in Manhattan. The court ruled that Giuliani be, quote, disbarred from the practice of law, effective immediately and until the further order of this court, and his name stricken from the roll of attorneys and counselors at law in the state of New York. Giuliani spokesperson not immediately responding to any requests for comment today. He has already had his New York law license suspended for false statements he made after the election. Giuliani, the primary spokesperson for Trump's false claims of election fraud after the 2020 vote. We continue to follow this breaking news as Rudy Giuliani has been disbarred in the state of New York today after a court found he repeatedly made false comments about Donald Trump's 2020 election loss. A lot of breaking news that has just come into our Live Now from Fox newsroom. We're going to continue to follow all developments. I'm Stephanie Quinn. You are watching Live Now from Fox.